We found this 1976 Mercedes-Benz, and it's a really special car. It only has 46,000 original miles. That's why we went all the way from Los Angeles to Alaska to get it and drive it home. My name is JG.
I'm Sean.
I do vintage Mercedes-Benz restoration.
And I do auto upholstery.
So when I found this car up there for sale, I couldn't refuse it.
My mom and stepdad drove to Alaska in their RV. They kept telling me how beautiful it was, but they did warn me how bad the roads were. So let's see how that goes.
It's a pretty nice way to travel in an old car, and you see something you like, you just pull over and get out.
The way we travel is a little bit different than a lot of people maybe go on vacation and they hop on the interstate and the car is just a means of transportation, get from point A to point B. When we travel, being in the car is kind of the destination. It's not about us making it home from Alaska, it's just about the experience of driving. First 400 miles went really smoothly. I think the only little glitch we had was the fuel gauge not being completely accurate.
Right.
And we also did the protective plastic on the front of the car to protect from rock chips along the way.
Take about a minute or so to get it off. We're making do with limited tools on the road, so. This is your gas gauge, basically. There's a little float inside here that goes up and down and tells you how much fuel you have. Looks almost brand new. I had no idea how amazing the fuel mileage was in that car. I kind of thought the gas gauge was broken. So I was expecting it to be clogged somewhere in here, but as I said, it's fine. 10 years of building these cars and I'm still wrong all the time.
I think we got the car all finished up and we're ready to hit the road.
All right.
You ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.